The F-47 is no longer a shadowy future concept. It is now the official centerpiece of America's next-generation air dominance plan. Boeing has been selected to develop it. Secret test aircraft helped shape it, and autonomous teammates may fly beside it. In this video, we will explore why the F-47 matters, how it evolved, and what makes it different. The F-47 matters because it is not being developed as a simple replacement for an older aircraft. It represents a major shift in how advanced aviation may operate in the coming decades. The F-22 Raptor set a high standard for stealth, speed, sensors, and air superiority. But the F-47 is being shaped for a much more complex environment, where aircraft must connect with data networks, autonomous platforms, advanced sensors, and fast-changing mission systems. The key confirmed development is Boeing's selection for the engineering and manufacturing development phase of the next-generation air dominance platform. That detail is important because it means the project has moved beyond a concept. This is the stage where the design becomes more serious, testing plans mature, production thinking begins, and the aircraft moves closer to becoming a real operational system. For viewers following aviation news, this is the moment that changed the F-47 from mystery to official program. The sixth-generation label also needs to be understood carefully. It does not mean the public now knows every secret detail. The exact shape, sensor layout, engine performance, range profile, and internal systems remain limited. What is clear is the direction. The F-47 is intended to combine next-level stealth, longer reach, smarter software, stronger sensing ability, and deeper connection with other platforms. That makes it different from older aircraft that were mainly judged by speed, maneuverability, and individual performance. This is why the F-47 is so important. It signals that the future of air dominance will not depend on one aircraft acting alone. It will depend on a connected system that can collect information, share it quickly, adapt to new conditions, and support wider operations across long distances. The aircraft may be the visible part of the story, but the real transformation is the network behind it. And to understand why the F-47 is being taken so seriously, we need to look at the quiet testing that helped prepare the way. The F-47 did not appear suddenly from a single public announcement. It is the result of years of quiet development, experimental aircraft, and digital design work that helped reduce risk before the program became widely known. DARPA confirmed that Boeing and Lockheed Martin built experimental aircraft connected to the NGAD effort, with demonstrators flying in 2019 and 2022. These test platforms were not created for public display. They were built to explore advanced ideas in the real world. That is a major point because future aircraft development is not only about drawing a sleek shape. Engineers must prove that advanced concepts can work together under real flight conditions. A next-generation aircraft may need stealth shaping, heat management, advanced materials, powerful onboard computing, new sensor integration, and flexible software. Each part may work well on its own, but the true challenge is making everything function together inside one reliable platform. Test aircraft allow engineers to discover problems early, adjust designs, and avoid larger issues later. This is where the F-47 story becomes more credible. Several hundred hours of experimental flying can teach designers things that simulations alone cannot fully reveal. Airflow, vibration, maintainability, pilot interaction, thermal behavior, and system reliability become clearer when ideas leave the lab and enter actual flight conditions. Computer modeling is powerful, but physical testing still matters when developing aircraft this advanced. Digital engineering also plays a major role. Modern aircraft programs increasingly use digital twins, virtual testing environments, and advanced design software to speed up development. A digital twin is not just a basic 3D model. It can help engineers simulate how systems behave, how maintenance could be planned, and how future upgrades may fit into the platform. This approach can shorten development cycles and help teams make smarter decisions before expensive physical changes are required. The most exciting part of the F-47 may be that it is not expected to operate as a lone aircraft. It is being developed in a period when the U.S. Air Force is also pushing the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program, known as CCA. Official designations have already been announced for two major platforms, the YFQ-42A from General Atomics and the YFQ-44A from Anduril. These aircraft point toward a future where crewed platforms and autonomous teammates operate as one connected group. This changes the meaning of a next-generation aircraft. In the past, people often looked at one aircraft and asked how fast it was, how far it could fly, or how difficult it was to detect. Those questions still matter, but they are no longer enough. The F-47 is expected to work inside a wider system where information moves between crewed aircraft, autonomous teammates, sensors, command networks, and support platforms. That makes the aircraft less like a single machine and more like the central brain of a flying team. For a general audience, the idea is simple. The F-47 pilot would not depend only on what one aircraft can see or carry. Autonomous teammates could extend awareness, cover more distance, add mission flexibility, and give decision-makers more options. These platforms could operate ahead, to the side, or in coordinated formations depending on the mission. The crewed aircraft would bring human judgment, advanced control, and high-end survivability, while the autonomous platforms would expand the reach of the entire group. The CCA program also helps answer a practical problem. Very advanced crewed aircraft are expensive and difficult to produce in large numbers. Autonomous teammates could add scale and flexibility without requiring every platform to be built at the same level as the F-47. That does not make them simple or disposable. It means the future force could be designed with different aircraft performing different roles inside the same mission structure. This is the real lesson from the F-47. The future is not only about building one impressive aircraft, it is about building a smarter aviation ecosystem. If the F-47 succeeds, it could become the central platform that brings stealth, software, sensors, autonomy, and human decision-making into one coordinated system. That is what makes it special, and that is why its development is being watched so closely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.